Hi, I'm Christina Carter, Artistic Design Team Member with ANZA Healing Hair Care. Today, we're going to share a quick tip on how to achieve maximum brightness around the hairline. When we're working around the hairline on our guest, and we're looking to achieve maximum brightness around that hairline, oftentimes we run into trouble in the area where the receding hairline is. So this technique is going to provide us a tip to create a customized sectioning for each and every guest that sits in our chair. Sarah wears a center part. So for her, we're going to have 6 sections total, 3 on one side and 3 on the other. It's a series of triangular sections with the points of the triangle dipping in toward the part and back to pick up hair to achieve that brightness that we see. Our first section starts at the top of the side section and draws back toward the top of the ear in a diagonal back parting. The second section lives within the receding area, dipping from the crown, back, borrowing hair, and moving forward to meet that first parting. Our third parting, which is most important, lives in her part area. So Sarah parts in the center. This triangle draws itself back with the point being at her hairline. This keeps it nice and tight, but also bright behind that area. Starting in the temple area, take a horizontal parting from the front of the hairline to the back. The section that lives above that horizontal parting, clip it out of the way. Then take your comb at the hairline and draw a diagonal back section to the top of the ear. Clip the rest of the hair out of the way, and here we have our first section. Secure it with a pin curl clip and move to the next section. The top 2 sections divide in half, exposing that receding area with another horizontal parting, and clip that hair out of the way. Again, starting from the hairline, take a diagonal back section, tilt forward to meet the section below. This exposes that receding area. From here, we can see if we need more density. In this case, Sarah does. So we're gonna draw back in again, picking up a bit more hair to achieve a balanced brightness from section to section. Clip that hair out of the way as well. The final section, which lives at her part, comb the hair back and clip out of the way. Secure the second section with another pin curl clip. For the final section that's going to live on the part line, we're going to repeat the process, taking the smallest point at the part, drawing back, dipping, and pulling forward to create our final face framing piece. Clip the section out of the way and secure with a pin curl clip. We're going to begin our application working from the bottom up. In our first subsection, we're going to take a diagonal back slice to expose the first subsection and create a micro weave. This will allow us to keep some depth at that hairline and a nice soft transition when she wears her hair back. Taking a foil, folding it over, taking that subsection, over directing it back before we place in the foil. This will allow us to get as close to the hairline as possible and keep the product from bleeding. Applying our decolorizer tight to the hairline and moving through that subsection. To achieve a tight microweave, keep the comb close to the hairline. Once you have your section, take a foil over-direct that section back and place in the foil. This will ensure the hair is closest to the hairline and prevent bleeding. When working with foils around the hairline, it's important to consider the weight of the foil. Using lighter weight foils is ideal because that finer hair can tend to pull the foil downward. When we fold, we can do a single fold to hold that foil in place or a double fold to keep it extra secure. Tighten in at the hairline and then fold in on the sides. Just remember, don't crease that bottom edge. Now that we've finished our application on Sarah, we're going to process until we reach a level 10.